After you've completed the white cross, the next step is to do the first layer corners. And then after you've completed the first layer corners, you do the second layer edges. But there is a much faster way, and that method is called F2L, which basically stands for first 2 layers, and you basically complete the first 2 layers simultaneously. So now you need to know some of the basic F2L cases. Some of these algorithms are only 3 moves long. I'll show you an example. To insert this F2L pair into this slot right here, you need to do this algorithm. R, U prime, R prime, and there you go, the pair is now in the right spot. And then we're going to do the left one. For the left one, it's like this. L prime, U, L. And the pair is in the right spot. For these 2 pieces, we need to do this algorithm. R, U, R prime. And for these 2 pieces right here, we need to do this algorithm. L prime, U prime, L. The goal is to have the first 2 layers complete. As you can see, the cube that I'm holding already has this goal complete. But if you were to do that on any Rubik's Cube, I will show you how that is done. Well, obviously you need to find a corner. Make sure that the corner has white on it. We're going to be using this corner. And find its corresponding edge, which is the orange and blue edge. If either the edge or the corner is not in the top layer, you need to take it out of the middle layer if it's an edge, or the bottom layer if it's a corner. In my case, it's an edge piece. So let's take out the edge using one of the basic algorithms that I taught you. R, U, R prime. And now both the corner and the edge are in the top layer. Check what color is at the top of the corner and the edge. Both the corner and the edge have orange at top. So we want to move this edge in front of you and right next to that corner. Like this. Move the side with the corner down. Move this edge over. Move the side with the corner back up. And now the corner and the edge are paired together. And just insert it. Now the corner and the edge are now inserted together. Sometimes the corner and its corresponding edge do not have the same color on top. And in this case, you don't want them to be together like this. Because if you insert the corner and the edge will be flipped. Instead, you want this corner to be away from the edge. So line up the corner, move the corner down, move the edge away, and now just insert it. And now, both the corner and the edge are inserted correctly. There are times when white is on the top, and this is not what we want. To fix that, move the corner up, move it away from the side that you moved up, then move the side back down. Now, you already know what to do. There are a few special cases where the corner and edge are right next to each other, but they do not pair correctly. These cases are not as easy as the first few that you learned, but you absolutely have to learn them. The first case has the white on top, and then these 2 side colors are not matching. So in order to fix this case, move the right face up, then turn the top twice, then move the right face back down, and the top face over to the right. And now this corner and this edge can be paired together with the free move insert. R, U, R prime, and now the corner and edge are in the right spots. This case is also very similar to the first one we learned, except these two side colors are matching. I'm going to show you how to insert these two pieces correctly into this slot. Move the corner up, move the edge over, then move the side that you used to move the corner up, back down. Move the corner towards you, then move that edge to the top, move the edge to the front, so that when you move this back down, it doesn't interfere with the edge or the corner. Then move it back down, and then all you have left is the free move insert. R prime. This next case is when the top colors are matching and the side colors aren't. This edge has the side color of red, and then white is facing you. To insert these two pieces correctly, here's what you need to do. So you need to line the corner up above the slot where it needs to go. Then move the corner up. Move it to the very back left corner. Move the side that you used to move the corner back down. And then you already know how to insert that. The final case is when these two top colors aren't matching and the white is facing you. I'm holding the cube from the green angle. But if this is the case for you, you want to hold the cube so that both the corner and the edge are on the right side of the cube. And just do this algorithm. Move the corner to the back, move the corner down, move the edge to the very left, then move the corner back up, move the corner so it lines right on top of the spot where it is supposed to go. And just do the free move insert to insert both the edge and the corner. R prime. And there you go. The corner and the edge are now in the right spot. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more awesome content.